Hi everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to make Biscoff Truffles using just 4 ingredients. To start off, you're going to need to crush up 100 grams of Biscoff biscuits. To do this, I placed mine inside of a Ziploc bag and crushed them up using a rolling pin. Place your crumbs into a medium-sized bowl and then add 60 grams of cream cheese. Stir this through until combined together with the crumbs. You then want to add in 40 grams of Biscoff Spread. Today I used Biscoff Crunchy Spread, but typically I would use the smooth, however both of these will work fine. Mix this all together until fully combined. In a separate bowl you're going to want to get 120 grams of white chocolate and 50 grams of Biscoff Spread. You're then going to melt this in the microwave on 30-second intervals, making sure to stir every time. Grab just under a tablespoon of the mixture and roll this together in your hands to create a ball. Drop your truffle into the melted chocolate and using a fork you want to make sure this is completely covered. You then want to place this on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Continue doing this for the rest of the mixture. Finally, sprinkle some crushed Biscoff biscuits over the top and then place them in the fridge for at least 3 hours to harden. It may look a little messy now, but once chilled you can tidy the chocolate up with a knife. And that's it guys, Biscoff Truffles. I'm absolutely obsessed with these and they are so easy to make, so make sure you give them a go. I'm ready for war, I'm ready for smoke, they don't wanna battle me. I'm the farmer of this beef and they just